Hi everyone, welcome to my course Learning of Python Programming. In this course, we are going to learn how to do programming in Python. I am a Python developer for a long time and so excited to share my knowledge of this awesome programming language. This course is designed for both beginner and professionals, also helpful for everyone who wishes to learn the Python programming language. With Python, you can do basic programming, build web applications, desktop applications, do scientific computations, artificial intelligence software, and even more popular skills like machine learning and natural language processing. Some of the major topics we will discuss include installing Python, learning the syntax and basic features of Python, and developing a console applications. This course is getting started course for developing Python applications, and you don't need any prior experience with Python at all. By the end of this course, you will know the basic of Python programming and be ready to develop your own applications. I hope you will enjoy on this journey to learn Python programming, and hopefully I will see you in the next video too. Thanks for watching.